Here today working on the exhaust fan. It's got some wiring issues. So, let's see what we can get figured out. I was attempting to defy the odds and be able to do it with it live without having to kill the breaker downstairs. It's kind of it's not the easiest building in the world to do that stuff on. Anyway, practice good electrical safety. Don't be like me and get in too big a hurry and try to skip steps. So power is completely dead. We got the breakers off. Now I can get in here without having to worry about if I'm gonna go home tonight. Got it fixed up, got it back online. Turn in the right direction, got it right the first time. Huh. Rarely happens, most of the time I wire it backwards on the 3-phase. So this is 3-phase, so you switch 2 wires and it'll run in reverse if you don't know. Anyway, we got the rotation correct, everything's back together, it looks good. I cleaned up the wiring in there, and the old wire just deteriorated. It was really old. It had been there for a long time. So I don't think we have a lot of power issues, and I think that between the age of the wire, it just finally had enough. It started to break down as a whole. Anyway, checking out of this one, we've got another call downstairs for a self-contained making a noise. So we'll go look at that next and then move on with our day. Alright, so this is the air handler making noise. Let's get it rotating. I'm definitely hearing this front bearing. Here's what it is. I need to look back at our inspections and see what was written up from here on this unit, and then I need to get with the customer on what our next steps are going to be. But no, there ain't no saving them bearings. Spoke to the customer, and we are going to replace the bearings on that motor and just get them fresh bearings in there and just go ahead and take care of it. They're having a little bit of the belts being a little tight, and I'm wondering if that's because the system may need some power bands. So we are going to order some power bands, because what's happening is when you set the belt tension properly, you know, they begin to slip when they shouldn't. And I'm kind of wondering if it should have been a 3 or 4 groove pulley that's on there. It's only got 3. The very top floor has 4, but I don't know. But we're gonna do the power band. We're gonna see if that works better, if we can actually set the belt tension properly that way, where it's not so tight. And I think that went a long way as to what the bearings were struggling with. You know, it is really important that we, you know, control that belt tension and make sure that it's not going to be over tight or going to cause a problem because of it.